there can be a lot of life skills that we should teach our kids, and that also depends, of course, on the interest that the kid exhibits, as well as what you want your child to pursue. The most important thing I think is to always set a schedule and set goals for the child, so the days of the vacation are actually spent constructively. You can map out the whole days in set milestones by which you can have mini achievements that can be done at the end of the week, which are measured and therefore rewarded, which will give a sense of progress, plus at the same time will give a sense of gamification of the whole process of learning a skill or learning a talent that you want your child to do. Just like how a game board progresses through levels, I think we should also try to set that schedule and goals with milestones for the child. Another thing I think we should definitely focus a lot on is reading. Reading has the magical ability to not just open the imagination, but to also enhance the vocabulary of a child. And reading is an activity that is applicable for all age groups. It doesn't matter if the child is 6 months old or if an adult is 90 years old. Reading is an activity everybody should definitely engage with. There are age appropriate books that we can purchase. At the same time, there are lots of reading material that can expand the imagination of a child. There are activity books that encourage reading. There are novels and storybooks that will encourage imagination, as well as storytelling as a skill itself. So reading is definitely something I personally spend a lot of time with my daughter, reading books to her. She is 2.5, but she loves it because it's an activity that we do together, and at the same time it encourages us to think out of the box. The last thing I think what's important is to get your hands dirty. Do some stuff with hands-on activities. It could be cooking, it could be building, it could be creating something together like a painting. Create cards for special occasion, create events around cooking something, create Legos and magnetize and have different types of activities that are around that. Painting, of course, is extremely important to get the sensory play and emotion of the child activated. So get the hands dirty, make sure that the child is experiencing what you're doing, and that will definitely enable the child to enhance their skills.